Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Autotech Tricks and Tips. Today I am going to show you how to create Fiverr account on any device or PC. So let's begin. First go to Chrome. Now search Fiverr. Click the first link on this web page. On the top right you can see this join icon. Just click it. Now click continue with Google and click your Google account. Click continue. Now here you can type a username. After completing username, click create my account. Now here you can select your services just like you want. This is all on your choice. I click selling freelance service. What type of freelancer are you? A side hustle, solo freelancer, agency employee, agency owner. Just select any one and click next. Here also you can select any one and click finish. Now click complete your seller profile. Great! Our Fiverr account is created. If this video helps, please drop a like, subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching.